All right, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've got a short ride and review for you today. I'm going to meet the cake dealer at a little taco joint over on Avenue C and 7th Street called San Loco. San Loco Tacos. They describe themselves as a gringo taco joint. Real basic stuff. Hard shell, soft shell, burritos, nachos, chili, shredded lettuce, shredded cheese. Kind of like I mean, from the pictures, I haven't been there yet. This will be my first visit, but from the pictures I've seen online, it looks like an elevated, better version of Taco Bell. And I don't know about you guys, but I love me some Taco Bell, so I'm down. We'll see how it goes. I am just coming onto Delancey right here. I'm gonna take this straight over to Pitt and then take a right on Pitt. Pitt turns into Avenue C once you cross over Houston Street. So it'll be a real quick ride and review. Just ripping up there. It got a little bit brisk. I got a hoodie on today, but it is nice in the sun. So, and we're doing lunch. We're meeting up for lunch. So it should be, I think there's some lunch specials, some deals they have going on there. You know, like half, I don't know if you get like a free soda or a drink, discounted prices on the tacos. We'll see. You know what, now that I got the 360 cam on, this is a good time to show you this cool church coming up here on my left. I don't remember the name, but it reminds me a lot of the one that I pass by in Williamsburg all the time. It looks cool. Or Greenpoint, rather, I should say, not Williamsburg.
You can see him.
All right. Coming up on Houston Street here. It's a beautiful day out. Not too hot, not too cool. This is the kind of weather I want all year round.
I like the bike, man.
Thank you.
Is it titanium or no?
No, this one's chrome.
Chrome?
Yep.
Okay. But
Yep.
you get the back as a pedal assist?
Yes.
Engine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pedal assist gets up to like 33 miles an hour. It's
Okay.
pretty quick.
Looks cool, man.
It's fun.
I love bike, man. I have like 6 bikes. The only thing I don't have is titanium, but I have almost everything in steel.
Yes.
I have the steel, but
Titanium is expensive.
but when I saw it, don't tell me that's a titanium. I just have to say hi.
Have a good one, man. Enjoy. So that guy's in the market for titanium. Tell him about the Chimera. Expensive stuff, but you know, it's light, it's strong, and the price is worth it. All right, so just coming up on 4th Street here, and San Loco is just on the other side of 7th Street on the left-hand side. So I'm just ripping up here, Avenue C, Alphabet City. Get some gringo tacos in my belly. Maybe a frozen margarita. All right, here we are. San Loco. All right. There it is. See you on the inside. Let's sit at the bar. All right, San Loco Tacos was everything I imagined. It was really good, great for the money. We did 2 specials, lunch specials. 2 tacos with a drink for $9. The pork carnitas was better than the beef. And then we did a handheld burrito with guac and chips and a drink for $12. We upgraded, a little bit of a price boost to get the frozen margaritas. Tamarind and cactus pear. Cactus pear was a little bit better, but I really did like the tamarind because it wasn't overly sweet.
Sorry.
You're good, you're good. That was my fault. Great spot. So make sure you jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. This place is a bargain. Read the full review, the full write-up, check out all the pictures. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Get out there, tell your friends, tell your family. This is number 99, I think. Ride and review number 99. Tell your fucking grandma.